Welcome to the Recording 101 with the Crooked Cloud. So if you're new to recording, this is going to be perfect for you. Why should you listen to me? A little bit about myself. I've been working in the music and audio industry for the last over a decade. I've worked with the military as well as many other music companies. I do have a bachelor's degree in recording and music production, and I graduated salutatorian from one of the leading music schools, which I will not mention as well. I want to keep everything about like where I'm at, what I'm doing separate from this because I am not sponsored and I'm not trying to sell you anything. Believe it or not, I am currently working and pay my taxes by doing work in the audio industry, everything from podcasting, recording instruments, studios, you name it. I was really inspired to start this class because of what Bob Ross did with painting. I thought that was really awesome for somebody to share something that they enjoyed so much, and he just presented it to as many people who wanted to learn about that. And that's what music's been for me mainly, and I wanted to do that as well. I currently do earn my living working in the audio industry, and this is just me sharing what I've learned as well. In a similar fashion as Bob Ross, obviously there's a couple things that we don't have in common. But that is what this series is going to be like. So if you're new to recording, this is going to be just for you. We're going to go over everything. We will keep making more advanced tutorials. We'll go through synthesizers, recording drums, guitars, quad tracking, everything. Just want to give you the information so that you can have the same moments that I've experienced when I finally have like a piece of music that I've made. And there's just nothing like it. So hopefully this helps you get there. Other people have done that for me, and I just want to, pass that along. So let's jump on into Recording 101. We are going to go through everything. There's going to be documents that you can download, stuff on the screen that I'll put up. I highly recommend that you come back to this video series a couple times because watching this once is not going to be enough. Audio is super complex. There is no standard. There's a couple standards, but there's a lot of companies do things differently, and it's all relative, right? So once you understand one aspect, you'll realize you'll find an exception, and that's going to be almost everything in the music and audio industry. There are rules, but they are not solid all the time. And I guess that's why they call it music theory and not music fact. So let's jump into the audio side of things and start learning.